Here is the tire 185 by 65 R50. 88H is the speed rating and load rating. And the manufacture date is here. Work week 4624. And I have 3 grooves here. I think that is okay, fair enough. Very nice setup from TyresnMore. A doorstep fitting. Here is the balancing going on. So this is the nozzle and it's from Triton. This air compressor is running on the power supply and they have a generator here from Honda. This is a tire changing machine. And they use all the pneumatic tires. This is from 2316. These are MRF tires, ZVT, and there's a lot of road noise on this tire from the day one. I didn't like these tires, to be frank with you. Here is wheel balancing. So the Swift has got the new shoes and I'm pretty happy with the service done by TyresnMore. The Triplemax 2 from Goodyear and its 88H rating. I'm pretty happy with this service. Hi folks, welcome to Automotives Technica. We are going to change the tires after almost it's 2016 model, approximately 9 years. This is MRF ZV-TV which was given by OEM Suzuki. It's for actually a Maruti Swift and that's the ZXi. It will be having 185/65 R15. So this is R15 and here we have the Goodyear tires Triplemax 2 and this is a very good tire when I found it and nominal prices. So these are from TyresnMore and I'm pretty sure they will do a good job. Stay tuned. ऐसे यूट्यूब पर जाएगा ले लो Here is the tire 185/65 R50. 88H is the speed rating and load rating and the manufacture date is here. I'll show you. So manufacture is here. It is work week 4624. Rating. These are the lines and I have 3 grooves here. I think that is okay, fair enough. People go for 4 grooves and people go for Yokohama. I didn't go for Yokohama purposely because they are softer and when you inflate it the ground clearance happens to be low and this happened to be a very good input from my friend who has already used it, so I'm taking it without doing any second thought. I have gone and seen the Bridgestone, I have seen the Yokohama, I have seen the Continental, but I felt narrowed down to this based on the vehicle and the roads at my place. Stay tuned. So this is the machine here and they come in small truck. Very nice setup from TyresnMore. A doorstep fitting and so far so good. They are removing the weights because once you change the tire the weights distribution will be different and the wheel balancing needs to be done every time when you remove the tire every time. And this is pretty good wall. Very nice wall. Here is the balancing going on. So this is enough actually. You do not need to have the alignment. The previous alignment remains the same. I do not think so it will change for a smaller vehicle. Yeah. So this is the very nice nozzle. I have purchased nozzle separately from them And yeah, it is mandatory to change the nozzle. Do not keep the old nozzle because the rupture, the rubber gets deteriorated, and that's the problem. So this is the nozzle, and it's from Triton, and looks to be very good. No compromise on the quality. I better use best quality because this is the bottleneck and air stoppage at this point. This air compressor is running on the power supply, and they have a generator here from Honda. This is a tire changing machine. Everything is nicely set. The generator is Honda FI EU70IS, and it's very silent. Pressure gauge, and they use all the pneumatic tools. So folks, believe me, the experience is so far so good because it's an hassle free, and the deal has been done online, and I see there is no discrepancies in the tires. The tires are same, no date change, everything is transparent, and I trust TyresnMore now because when I go to any other places and when we do it, whatever they commit and whatever they give earlier in any other shop which I've done before, I didn't have much experience, so I thought to go for TyresnMore, and so far so good. So 2 more tires left. So folks, if you see the tire is from 2316. 23 is the work week and 16 is the date of year, and these are MRF tires, ZV-TV, not good. I didn't feel flush ride on this, and often it got punctured also, and there's a lot of road noise on this tire from the day one. I didn't like these tires, to be frank with you. Now he's filling the air, and there will be a pop sound when tire touches to the rim. That's the sound. You will hear it twice. Yeah, that's the thing. So we keep 33 psi. Here is wheel balancing. You see, through the axis, if there is some kind of a vibrations, and it leads to the wobble. So you have to do wheel balancing every time when you change or when you remove a puncture or remove the tire position and refit it back. So you have to do the balancing, otherwise there are chances of high wobbling on the road at high speed. When lower speed, lower than 50-60, you will not come to know, but definitely you come to know when it is in high speed. So this is the condition of the disc. It is pretty good, and here are the disc pads. This is finalizing that now. So this is the final look, yet to be cleaned. I mean, the vehicle is yet to be cleaned. This tire looks at least like that only. It will not be like flashy or something. The laser fitting is like this, and yeah, this Triplemax 2, October 2024, and rating is 88H. This is the rear, and the other two are being fitted. I will be happy to answer your questions and queries why I have selected this Goodyear and so on, when there is competitive for Yokohama, uh, other Apollo, and you have the Weddistrain and the other models like Continental and Bridgestone. I have selected for this. There is a filtering. I have done lot of research. So the Swift has got the new shoes, and I'm pretty happy with the service done by TyresnMore. So final summary is the Triplemax 2 from Goodyear, and it's 88H rating, and it's 185/65 R15 for Swift ZXi model especially, and the manufacture date is work week 46 24 year, that is this year, approximately in the month of October. I'm pretty happy with this service, and I will take a drive and update you in a different vlog how is the ride quality of this. And yeah, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel Automotors Technica. And if you have any comments, please do put your questions, any queries in the comments box. I'll be happy to help you, and stay blessed.